I'm the 5-Minute Professor, and today's lesson is what you should have heard last Thursday on the radio. We're talking about owls. I'm here at this beautiful little pond area, and behind me you can see a nice little pine forest. And this is the kind of place where you'll see owls. There are owls in a variety of landscapes. In fact, over here you'll see that there's some slight clear area as well here where I am recording today. Now, there are two basic types of owls. There are barn owls and true owls. And the barn owls are freaky looking, but they're not actually considered to be true owls. But you're more likely to hear an owl than you are to see an owl. They are solitary hunters. They sit silently waiting for their prey, usually in the dark. But some species are crepuscular, which means that they're going to hunt at dusk and dawn. But primarily they rely on those enormous eyes and their great eyesight to find and attack prey from a position where they're hidden, and then they swoop in and they grab them. Their facial discs help to funnel sound to their ears so they both see and hear their prey, and they go in and they make the attack. Burrowing owls. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I was at the Audubon Center for Birds of Prey, and they have burrowing owls. Now, burrowing owls are an endangered species, in part because they like to live in areas where people like to build things, because they want cleared areas, like you can see all the way on the other side of the water there. They like areas like that, and they like it as a large field. They, in fact, in the Midwest, they will summer in prairie dog nests that have been emptied. They are birds that you will see during the day. They're active during the day. However, they hunt mainly at dusk and at night. They are also unbelievably light. They are 8 to 11 inches tall total from their feet to the top of their heads, but they weigh somewhere between 5 and 9 ounces. So less than half a pound. Unbelievably light. In fact, all birds are like that. They are deceptively light. Like all birds, they have hollow bones, but they also tend to have very full plumage so that they look bigger than they actually are. That plumage allows them to fly very nearly silently. Barred owls are huge looking owls. They are 2 feet tall. They have a wingspan of up to 4 feet, and they only weigh 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds. Now, this is an owl that you might catch sight of at dusk or on a very cloudy day. But for certain, you can hear them. They have a very distinctive call. It is sometimes described as, "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you?" Sometimes they're called a hoot owl or an 8-hoot owl because they make that repetitious sound. Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you? And then there are the great horned owls, big, powerful birds that have the strongest grip of any bird. They are bigger but not taller than a barred owl, and the great horned owl takes larger prey. They often will take prey that weighs as much as they do, 3 to 5 pounds. And that is why they have such a strong grip, because they're going to be catching animals that weigh as much as they do. So they need to make sure that they can't get away. With the great horned owl, those horns aren't really horns. They're specialized feather tufts that aid in hearing. All of these birds are available to be seen at the Audubon Center for Birds of Prey in Maitland. Check them out online. Perceptum, Quispium, Dametium. Learn something, damn it.
I'm the 5-Minute Professor, and thank you very much for listening to today's lesson. If you have any comments at all, please put them in the comments section down below. And of course, like it and subscribe to the channel. But most important, if you liked it, if you commented, and if you subscribed, tell your friends. Perceptum, Quispium, Dametium. Learn something, damn it.